Hi, hello everybody, back again. Okay, now what we see here, this is a randomize, what do we call it? We had this one earlier on. It's a randomized noise particle, okay, but I've done some changes here, and as you can see, it's I made them bigger, but you can adjust them. And let's see. God, I can't put this. There we are. Okay, so the way it works now is when there is a very little sound, they are smaller, and when there is a lot of sound or a bigger sound, then it gets bigger. Okay, so this particle, it's work like that. It's I just changed some of the codes, and I think it looks more interesting than the previous one, which is very sort of soft and faded. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on, and I call them randomize noise particle larger. Okay, or I'll just call them something else, and don't get confused. But it's exactly the same. It's the same code. I just changed some of the setting on the code to make it more interesting. In this case, it's a soft, smaller when there's little sound, and larger when there is a lot of sound. And you can see, look, boo, hello, hello, hello. Ah. And if I don't talk, they're smaller, I think, yeah. This would be interesting to have it with the music as well. You know what I mean? It will be very good. It will move in a different way. Yeah. Okay, so there we are. Let's go to the code again. This is the code. Same principle. We practically change the 4. This one. This setting here. Okay, so to make it bigger compared to the previous one, and you can go and check if you if you like the sort of softer one than this one. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's what we've done. So there we are. This is same principle with the Simplex Noise, which is exactly the same, doesn't change. And you can see the principle here, it's the same. And just to remember, as I said, these 3 dots here, you add a new tab and you type in the Simplex Noise H, okay, and then you copy the file that I put on GitHub, okay. I did forget a couple of them earlier on, and I think I got some negative point. But I put them on now. So if you go back, but you can copy any of those. It's exactly the same, doesn't change. It's like a library. It's a form of a library. Okay, I think this one doesn't require much talk. And I must do something about my voice because it sounds like really cut. Okay. So, and then we are right. So let's see. Yeah, this is actually quite interesting. Any case, thank you very much, guys. Please thumbs up if you like it. Have a good day.